Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 hardtop. And this one was a beauty. It had a real nice paint job on it. And was also at my local cruise night in San Diego, California, where the owner had upgraded it to a 427 FE engine along with a 5-speed transmission, and did a real nice job on it, putting it together. Looked really good. And this was Ford night. This was a featured mark that night, and this was a nice one. Still had the bench seat in it with the 5-speed, but it was a beauty. And if you're into the numbers as far as Ford goes, this was the fifth generation for the Ford Fairlane, which only went 2 years, 1966 and 1967. And as far as the engines go, Ford made 57 R-code 427s mid-year with 425 horsepower and 480 torque, which were designed to compete in NHRA and IHRA Superstock racing. But those are about as rare as hen's teeth, so you won't see a real one of those very often, if at all. But this one more than likely probably came with either a 289 or a 390 V8 engine in it, and then the owner upgraded it to the 427 along with a 5-speed transmission, so a little easier for driving it on the freeway and cruising around town. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 hardtop, upgraded with a 427 and a 5-speed transmission. I recorded at my local cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.